Choosing which type of business structure is the right fit for your business is one of the biggest decisions you'll make as an owner-operator. Today we'll be reviewing some of the best business structures for owner-operators: sole proprietorships, partnerships, and LLCs. Each type of business entity has its pros and cons. The intent of this video is to provide general information so owner-operators can determine what would be the best decision for their business. This video is not a substitute for professional legal and tax advice. On the contrary, we strongly encourage all owner-operators to seek out tax and legal advice to make the best decision for their business. Structure 1, sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is usually one of the least expensive and simplest business structures available to owner-operators. It requires little setup, and usually business owners can report all income and losses on their personal income tax return. One of the biggest drawbacks is the lack of additional liability protection that is afforded by some of the other options. As the business owner, you can be held personally liable for any debt or lawsuits your business accrues. Check with your local state and your advisors on what steps you will have to take before your business can operate. But at a minimum, you will likely need to obtain an employer identification number, also referred to as an EIN, and an IRS Form W-9. Structure 2, partnership. A partnership is similar to a sole proprietorship, but is owned by 2 or more people, making it a common choice for team drivers. It's easy to set up, and the tax consequences are usually similar to that of a sole proprietorship. Again, you should check with your state and your advisors on what steps you will need to take before your business can operate. But you will likely need an EIN and a W-9. A written partnership agreement is also recommended, and in some states may be required to outline each party's duties, responsibilities, and financial terms. Structure 3, limited liability company. A limited liability company, or LLC, offers some additional liability protection for a business owner's personal assets. LLC owners may be able to report business income on their personal income tax return, but they also have the option to tax themselves as a separate business entity as well. There are more requirements to start compared to sole proprietorships. Some of those include EIN, W-9, and Articles of Organization. This may also be called a Certificate of Organization or Certificate of Formation in some states. LLC filing fees can range from $50 to $500 depending on the state. These are just some of the options available to you, and there may be some other options as well, depending on your situation. Again, we recommend that you consult with your tax and legal advisors to get your business set up properly and in the best manner to suit your individual business and personal needs. Whatever business entity you choose, Schneider helps you take control of your business with more load options, 24/7 business support, and access to discounts on truck insurance, maintenance, fuel, tires, and more. Learn more at SchneiderOwnerOperators.com or call us at 800-28-LEASE to lease on with one of the nation's busiest carriers.